the Aggie Chocolate Factory, you don't need a golden ticket to see how beans become bars. But for the third year now, USU's cocoa confectioners played host to a Willy Wonka-like experience. The Chocolate Factory partnered with American One English schools in West Valley to host the winners of a competition to come up with a chocolate bar flavor while, as a class, they read Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
When I introduced the project, we've already started reading the book. We're like midway into the book. They've gotten into the factory in the book. And then I announced, hey, you get to be Willy Wonka, you get to come up with a cool idea. So it brings in this imagination competition element to the reading.
At the end of the project, the students come to the Chocolate Factory to create for themselves the winning chocolate bar, which this year was the Gracy Bite.
My chocolate was very simple because it has just two ingredients, like pistachios and dark chocolate. But they are special ingredients for me because they take me back to my childhood.
Throughout the visit, the students learn the entire process of creating the treat, from bean selection to wrapping and packaging, and get to do some hands-on work along the way.
It's my first time in a chocolate factory. It's my first time in Logan. I'm very happy to stay here to learn the chocolate process, the production.
For the Chocolate Factory, this partnership was an opportunity to do what they love to do: teach students about chocolate.
It's always a thrill to watch people in there playing with chocolate and learning science at the same time is quite amazing, and something that is very, very unique to Utah State University. We have the only chocolate factory operated by university anywhere in the world.
This project is expected to continue on into the future, so more students may have the opportunity to feel like a chocolatier themselves.
We were trying to expand the project to other schools in Cache Valley and make it a competition between different schools. So we're still working on that and trying to get the schools involved and excited about the project.
But this year, just like in Willy Wonka, a dream came true.
It's like, I can't believe it, it's my chocolate bar.